In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sendwave account to receive money from us in Nigeria. If you're new to Sendwave, it's a straightforward money transfer app that helps people abroad send funds directly to your Nigerian bank account or mobile wallet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have everything set up so family, friends, or clients in the US can pay you quickly and securely. To begin, download the Sendwave app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Sendwave and choose the official app from the verified publisher. A quick tip before installing, make sure your phone's software is up to date to avoid setup glitches and ensure the app runs smoothly. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to select your country and language. Choose Nigeria as your location so you see the correct receiving options and currency. Allow notifications if you want instant alerts when money arrives. This helps you track transfers in real time. Now enter your information. Type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your bank account and on your ID. Consistent spelling matters for successful deposits. Add a working email if requested so you can receive receipts and recover your account if needed. You may also be prompted to create a secure passcode for the app. Pick something memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Next, verify your phone number. Select the correct country code, enter your active Nigerian number, and watch for a one-time code by SMS. Enter it as soon as it arrives. If you don't see it, wait a moment and then request a new code. For your safety, never share this code with anyone. After that, add your receiving details. Choose your preferred method. Most people in Nigeria select a bank account. Carefully enter the bank name and account number, then confirm that the account name displayed in the app matches your legal name. Save these details as your default if you'll use them regularly, and double check for typos before continuing. If identity verification is requested, follow the prompts. You may need to scan a government-issued ID and take a quick selfie. Use good lighting, keep the ID edges visible, and make sure your name and date of birth match what you entered earlier. This step protects your account and helps meet regulatory requirements. You're ready to start receiving money. Share your registered name and receiving details with your sender in the US. Ask them to start with a small test transfer to confirm everything works. You'll get a notification when funds are on the way, and deposits typically arrive quickly, depending on your bank. Keep the app updated, review transaction details before each transfer, and reach out to in-app support if anything looks off. Your Sendwave account is now set up and ready to receive.